What you're seeing right now is the landing page of the Risevest app. And before I proceed to this app tutorial, I just want to give a brief information or some key things to know about the Risevest app. Unlike apps like Chakab, Bamboo, Trove, and the likes, Risevest is not a stock trading platform. It is not a platform that gives you the ability to trade by yourself. However, Risevest is a platform that helps you invest actually. So you have the choice of picking the different kinds of ways you would like the Risevest team to invest for you depending on your risk appetite. So now that that's been clear, let's go ahead and take a look at this Risevest platform. Once again, like I said, this is the landing page. Once you register, once you download, register, and everything, this is literally the page that you land on. So let's just start from the very beginning. Of course, with Risevest, you are only going to be investing in dollars, not Naira, which is similar to Bamboo that allows you to trade just in global stocks, right? So let's just go further down. Okay, here I have my to-do list because I'm yet to link my card, I'm yet to add money to my wallet, and I'm yet to create a build wealth plan. So with Risevest, you can save towards goals. You can save for school. You can save to start a business. You can save for a wedding. Save to travel. Own your own home. There's even a part for kids. You can save for rent, etc. And I actually like this aspect of Risevest because they are trying to speak to the specific needs of people, and I think that's very unique. So like I mentioned earlier, here we have the asset classes, and these are plans that you can actually pick, and then Risevest will then go ahead and invest for you. So they are high risk. There's a high risk profile, there's a medium risk profile, and there's a low risk profile. So we're going to actually go through three of them shortly. Let's just go further down, right, to the news and updates. So basically these are just recent news, the stock market, or just you can be in the stock market, why you should invest in the Rise stock plan, 4 ways to invest 10,000 naira. So just different things that can be helpful to you, right? That's basically what this news and update is really all about. And it's actually very unique because usually in other stock trading platforms you just have news that are pertaining to what's happening in the stock market, right? But with Risevest, you can see that they even have investment club series. They have just different stories that can help you on your financial journey basically. Let's just quickly go to the high risk profile choice, right? US stocks. I'm clicking on it. So they said here that a stock plan is perfect for you if you have got a huge risk appetite and would like to own a slice of high growth companies like Microsoft, Netflix, and Square. We've delivered historical returns of 14% per annum to our investors. That's very interesting. So they're letting you know of their past successes. They've been able to deliver 14% per annum to their investors in the past. So going further down, let's just click on get started and see where that takes us. Alright, so you can decide to give your plan a name. Let's just say TRI plan, right? TRI for the roadside investor. Click on continue. So then you go ahead to input how much you would like to add monthly. So the good thing is you can say how much you want to add in Naira and it converts to dollars. So let's say on a monthly basis you want to add 20,000 Naira, right? That is $39 a month. right? And here they are also showing you the rate that they're using. So you can choose a memorable image for your plan, and you can choose a memorable image for your plan, or you can decide to skip this. For the sake of this video, I'm going ahead to skip this. So you can see here that the plan name, TRI plan, estimated interest rate 14% per annum, estimated recurring investment $39.6 dollars monthly. Accept and continue. So because I don't have any amount of money in my wallet, this is why this is popping up. Let's see what happens when we decide to add money. Okay, so this has taken us to the different ways that you can fund wallets using the Risevest app. And first of all, you have the Naira bank transfer. Let's just click on it and see what information is there. Okay, it just tells us about the USD rate. Okay, so what pops up then is the account number to pay to, right? And that's pretty much it if you want to fund using the Naira bank transfer. Now let's go ahead and also see the Naira debit card. Mind you, you can see the timelines here. They have put the different timelines. For the Naira bank transfer, the timeline is 15 minutes, right? For the Naira debit card, the timeline is also 15 minutes, but there's a fee here of 1.5%. So let's see what they mean by that. Accept and continue. So let's say we said wanted to add 20,000 a month. Let's click on add money. Add money. So this is how much they're going to be adding to your wallet, and this is how much the processing fee is. So altogether you'll be paying this amount here. So let's just click on add 20,397 Naira.97. So because I have not added my card, it then shows pay with a new Naira card. So we just click on that, and it takes us straight to pay with Flutterwave. Click on pay with Flutterwave. And when you decide to pay with Flutterwave, this page pops up and you input your card and you go ahead and make payment. So I'll be canceling payment, of course, because I don't intend to pay right now. Click on OK. So I'm going back, of course. The next one is using USD debit or credit card, and the fee here is 3.8%. Let's click on that and see. So obviously, because you're using a USD card, you're not going to be converting from Naira to dollar. You're just imputing it what you want to fund in dollars. So look at what it says here, that 3.8 processing fee applies and funding limit is $2,500. So you can fund up to $2,500. All right, let's click on add money. And of course, there's a processing fee. So let's click on add. And of course, I do not have a USD card, so this is why this is popping up. Pay with a new USD card. Click on this. It takes us straight to Flutterwave, which is similar to using a debit card like we did just some minutes ago. So you input your USD card, and that's pretty much it, funding with your USD debit or credit card. The last but not the least here is crypto, and the fee here is 0.1%. This is interesting. Let's click on it. Okay, Please note that crypto funding is only available on the Ethereum network. Transfers made from any other network or chain will lead to a loss of your coins. Ensure that you are sending coins from a wallet that supports the Ethereum network. Kindly note that Rise will be unable to assist you with the recovery of lost coins sent through unsupported networks, and as such cannot be held liable. This is very important to note. If you want to fund in crypto, you have to do this. So accept and continue. Okay, so they accept USDC, which happens to be a stable currency. So let's just click on that. And how much worth of USDC? Let's click on $40 and let's click on continue. Here they said you can deposit between $20 and $1,000 in USDC. So what they're trying to say is that the minimum you can deposit is $20 and the maximum is $1,000 in USDC. So click on continue here. It says here that crypto address generation is temporarily disabled. Please contact support. And that makes a lot of sense. I'm sure this is as a result of the crypto ban in here in Nigeria. So this is currently not available. I basically covered the different ways to fund your wallet using the Risevest app. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. I'm just going to go back. Of course, this is the TRI plan that I just created, right? These are just the settings. I currently don't have anything there. Auto invest is on. That is, if you want Risevest to deduct a certain amount of money from your wallet on a periodical basis, you have to turn on your auto invest. What's this plan made of? You can view portfolio, and it's high risks. So what they said here is invest in a portfolio of 30 high growth US stocks. Own stocks in popular companies like Google, Alibaba, and Facebook. Risk level high. Current annual returns 12.18%. And they've given you the historical performance. Wow. In 2019, they did 27.5%. In 2020, they did 40.77%. But they have given you a disclaimer here that past performance is not a guarantee of future returns. Of course, when it comes to stocks, nothing is really guaranteed. And of course, they've given you a breakdown of the assets that are in these US stocks that they plan to invest for you. So you can go ahead and look at all that. You can see Apple here, you can see Tesla, you can see Chevron, you can see PayPal, Facebook, a lot of stocks. So you can just go through them. If you have any particular stock you have in mind, you can check if it's on this list. So that's basically it on creating a plan for the US stocks part of the Risevest app. So let's just go back. I'm going back as well. The next place we're going to is the real estate, which is the medium risk real estate. Get started. Before we get started, they said best for those who want a balance of good returns and medium risk. This plan invests in rented buildings in the US and returns 12 to 15% per annum. We're just going to get started here. What's the plan name? Let's just say TRI real estate. Yeah, I just say that. And you can see the next question here is how long do you want to invest for? There's a duration of 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and it says here that the longer you invest, the higher your potential returns. These estimates are based on historical results. Actual returns may vary. Of course, not everything is written in stone. So let's just click on 3 months here. You can see that if you click on 6 months, the returns increase, right? Click on 12 months, it's increased to 15%. So let's just do, for the sake of this video, let's just do 3 months. And click on continue, and let's just put our usual amount of 20,000 and just continue. We are skipping. So Up next, they just give you a breakdown of what your plan really entails. Mind you, you can always go back to make changes to this plan. So let's just click on accept and continue. So would you like to add money now? We have already gone through the funding process, so there's no need to repeat that. Here again is a breakdown of my TRI real estate plan. I can always go ahead to change it. So lastly, let's go to fixed income. And here they have said for people with a low risk level who just want to protect and preserve their money in a secure, appreciating currency, that is the dollar, this plan returns 10% per annum guaranteed. This happens to be the only plan on the Risevest app that is guaranteed, so you know what you're getting at the end of your maturity. So let's just name this TRI fixed income. Continue. So if you're going to invest for 3 months, you are getting 3% per annum. If you're investing for 6 months, 6%, 12 months, 12%. So for the sake of this video, let's just do 3 months and let's click on continue. Choose a memorable picture. Let's just skip this as usual. And this is the breakdown of what it is basically. So by the end of 3 months, you would have invested $297.03 and you should have earned $8.91 rather, right? In total, you would be getting $305.94 by the end of by 1st of November 2021, bearing in mind that we chose 3 months. So we can click on accept and continue. Should we add money now? No, later. I have already shown you how to add money. Once again, this is a breakdown of everything, right? If you want to change the amount for your fixed income, you click on auto invest and change. If you want to delete, you click on these 3 buttons here and delete your plan or check your plan history. That's basically it. The Risevest app is really very simple, easy, seamless to use. Actually, so far I am really happy with my user experience. It's like so clear. So that's pretty much it about plans. Let's click on goals here. Like I said, I mentioned earlier, there are different goals, right? You can be saving for school, starting a business, wedding. For the sake of this video, let's click on owning your own home. And here it says invest towards your first, second or third home at your own pace. So let's get started and see. TRI home course. Continue. And they said here, how much do you need? Of course, to get a house, you probably definitely need a whole lot of money. So let's just say 2 million naira. Just assume it, right? And let's click on continue. But before we click on continue, they said here that this goal will be denominated in USD. Exchange rate shown is not fixed by rise and will fluctuate over the period of your goal. All right, thanks. Continue. When would you like when we like to end this goal? And they said here that the minimum duration for a goal is 3 months, and of course you're saving for a house, that should be longer. So for the sake of this video, let's say it ends 2022 and click on continue. No, we're not picking an image, we're skipping this as usual. And you can see here, so the goal name TRI home, the target amount, that's the amount I put in earlier, that was the 2 million, converted to dollars is 3.960, right? Estimated total returns, if you are saving for a whole year, you should be getting about $524 from just saving in Rise. Estimated interest rate is $13.7 per annum. Maturity date 1st of November 2022. Recurring investment is how much you're going to be saving on a monthly basis for us to reach our goal, which is $264.03 monthly, right? So up next, let's click on advice and see where that takes us. So get financial advice from our certified experts and learn how money works and how to grow your wealth. So they said that advisory is currently closed in beta. We are testing with a small group of users at the moment. We'll let you know when it's available for you. So currently that feature is not available for me. They're still testing it, but very soon Risevest is saying that they would be having an advisory part of the Risevest platform. So we're quickly just going to go to portfolio, right? So if you have some plans that you're currently saving with, or you have some goals that you have set for yourself, this is where everything would be shown. So that's pretty much it on the app tutorial using the Risevest platform. I hope you now know how to use the Risevest platform. You can go ahead and start investing with Risevest. The one thing or the one unique thing about Risevest is that they help you to invest if you don't have what it takes to pick your stocks yourself, or pick your real estate yourself, or fixed investment plans. You just go ahead to Risevest and they will take all that away from you and help you do all the dirty work. So that's about it on the Risevest platform. The next platform we'll be reviewing would be the Trove stock trading app, which will drop exactly 2 days after this video drops. See you in my next video, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up.